Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off the auto starts on the Skype application. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the Skype application if you have it already on your PC. Of course, if you don't, all you need to do, just go and open whatever browser you are currently using. Once it's opened, go to the URL section and type download the Skype application. Hit the enter button, go to the first link and start downloading the application. Once it's downloaded, install it and open it up. Of course, this will be pretty easy, pretty simple, because you must have already downloaded something in your PC before. So it will be the same steps. Once you are here, or once you did those, what I said, once you open it, they will ask you to log in into your account. Go and log in into your account if you have an account, but if you don't, you'll need to go and create one. Of course, once you did one of those options, you'll find yourself with the home page or with this main with the main screen. And of course, as we said in the beginning of the video, you would like to turn off the auto start. So once you open your PC, the Skype application opens directly with it, and you want to turn off that option. So how to do that? So in the Skype application, you would like to click at the three dot menu at the top left section, and then click on settings. Once you are here, you would like to click on the general tab right here, and as you can see here, we have the option or the section of start app and close. So as you can see, automatically starts Skype. So start Skype automatically when you sign into Windows. If you want to turn it off, just go and hit this button until it turns into gray. Of course, if you don't want to turn it off, just go here and let it on. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.